And this is the babies, Bella and Jake's baby boy and baby girl. First time on video. This right here is the girl, little baby girl. And we actually already have a deposit on her. She will be going to a family who bought one of our previous babies, Deuce, in the past, and now they'll have a special addition to their family, and the boy here is available. We'd be willing to take a deposit, and let's see his other side. Right now they're crawling and trying to get their feet underneath them to start walking. Yes, you guys are. Say bye, guys.